morning to you all students. Today we are going to do the concepts of cost and revenue numericals, okay, that are based on the concepts of TFC, TVC, AFC, AVC and marginal cost. Now, calculate TFC, TVC, AFC, AVC and MC marginal cost from the following data. This question is given. How to solve it? Output is given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and TC is given 50, 70, 90, 100, 110. So students, at the zero level of output, we know that the formula of TC is TFC plus TVC. We know that the formula of TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. At the zero level of output, that is here, TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. At zero level of output, TVC is obviously a zero. TVC or total variable cost does not happen till the output is starting. Okay, till the production happens, there is no total variable cost. So if TC is given 50, okay, if at zero level of output you can see TC is given 50. So if at zero level of output TC is given 50 and we know that there is no variable cost at zero level of output, when output is not there, zero होता है output, तो TVC भी zero होता है, then definitely this 50 represents fixed cost. Okay, so total fixed cost is equal to 50. Correct? Now we have seen that how we are getting TFC. So TFC will become 50 and it remains fixed throughout. It remains the same. Total fixed cost is remaining the same throughout, that is 50. Now you will calculate, you are given TC, you are given TFC. How are you going to calculate TVC from there? We very well know that TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. We know that TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. So definitely if I have to calculate TVC, okay, if I have to calculate TVC, then it will become TC minus TFC. यानी TC इधर रहा, इसको इस तरफ ले आए, right? So if I have to calculate TVC, it will be TC minus TFC. यानी TC इधर रहा, उसको minus TFC कर दिए. Okay, so the formula for TVC here will become this minus this. Okay. The formula will become TC minus TFC. That is 0, 70 minus 50 is 20, 90 minus 50 is 40, 100 minus 50 is 50, 110 minus 50 is 60. Okay. Then you know that these are TC, this is TFC, this is TVC. You have calculated TFC, you have calculated TVC. Now you need to calculate AFC and AVC. How are you going to calculate AFC? If you remember the formula of AFC, it is TFC divided by Q. What is the formula? The formula is TFC divided by Q. This is the formula, TFC divided by Q. So this is my TFC column, this is my Q column. Output also means Q. Okay, so this is my TFC column, this is my Q column. 50 divided by 0, we are leaving it blank. Okay, at 0 output we will leave AFC blank. Then this is my TFC column, 50 divided by 1. क्या करना है हम लोग को? TFC को Q से डिवाइड करना है. This divided by this. 50 divided by 1, 50. 50 divided by 2, 25. 50 divided by 3. That comes out to be 16.67. Then becomes 12.5. We have calculated the values. Okay, AFC is equal to TFC divided by Q. TFC divided by Q. Now you calculate AVC. AVC is TVC divided by Q. What is the formula for AVC? It is TVC divided by Q. This is my TVC column, this is my Q column. This is my TVC column, this is my Q column. So ABC is TVC divided by Q. So it will become 0 divided by 0, we'll leave it blank. This will be 20 divided by 1. इस कॉलम को इससे डिवाइड करना है. 20, 40 divided by 2, 20, okay. 50 divided by 3, 16.67, and finally 60 divided by 4. That gives you 15. Please copy this and then I'll be doing the marginal cost explanation. Please copy this, I'll rub everything and do the marginal cost explanation then. Now see the calculation of calculating marginal cost or MC. How do you calculate MC? Marginal cost is the addition to the total cost. What is meant by marginal cost? It is the addition to the total cost or it is the additional total cost. Okay. कॉस्ट अगर 50 से 70 हो रहा है तो उसमें 20 रुपया बढ़ रहा है. दैट इज कॉल्ड द मार्जिनल कॉस्ट. व्हाट इज द इंक्रीज इन द टोटल कॉस्ट ड्यू टू इंक्रीज इन 1 मोर यूनिट ऑफ आउटपुट. टोटल कॉस्ट कितना ज्यादा बढ़ रहा है एक और यूनिट आउटपुट बढ़ने से. मार्जिनल कॉस्ट इज द चेंज इन द टोटल कॉस्ट. इट रेफर्स टू द increase in total cost with increase in 1 unit of output. So here MC, how are you going to calculate the marginal cost? Whenever there is, okay, now we know that this is 50, above it nothing is given, so I'll assume it is 0. Above 50 nothing is given, so I'll assume it is 0. So it will become 50 minus 0 equal to 50. How do you calculate marginal cost or how do you calculate the addition to the total cost? You simply take this value, deduct the previous value and you get the answer. नीचे वाले वैल्यू से ही ऊपर वाला वैल्यू माइनस करना है एंड लिख देना है. 70 minus 50 equal to 20. 90 minus 70 is equal to 20. 100 minus 90 equal to 10. 110 minus 100 equal to 10. This is how you are calculating the marginal cost. नीचे वाले वैल्यू से ऊपर वाला वैल्यू लिखो, माइनस करो एंड बगल में लिख दो. 50 minus 0 nothing is there, so it will be 50. 70 minus 50 is 20. 90 minus 70 is 20. 100 minus 90 is 10. 110 minus 100 is 10. What are you doing? Suppose these are the values. So you deduct the upper value, okay, 50 minus 0 equal to 50. Now you will, from 70 you will deduct 50. 70 minus 50 will give you 20 and from 90 you will deduct 70. 90 minus 70 equal to 20. So how do you calculate? 70 minus 50 will give you 20. 90 minus 70 will give you 20. 100 minus 90 will give you 10. 110 minus 100 will give you 10. In this manner, you calculate the marginal cost.